This is our diamond turbo saw blade. It is an ideal blade for cutting Dekton, ceramic, granite and other engineered stone in both dry and wet cutting condition. It is the thinnest blade all over the market. Both 115mm and 125mm turbo rim could achieve 1.1mm thick. The resistance and strength of this blade is several times stronger than other blades. This is why it could cut hard materials faster and without chipping. We got certificate from Cosentino, and if you want to know more about this product, please feel free to contact us.